How to use Chaty app, chat and make friends. So yeah, here is the app. It's friends making apps. It's not for dating. It's a very simple, very minimalistic messenger that offers direct connections to find and stay in touch with new people around you. So that's the idea. Talk about law, sports, music, or your favorite series. Discover new and interesting people nearby. Talk to people and control your messenger story. Chat with direct messages that work reliably like SMS. Send your favorite pictures and gifs. Stay in control of your personal privacy. Be yourself, be social, and share the things you like on Chatty. Yeah, on Chaty you control your image and talk about what you care. So here is the app. You just create your account. You just have these different profiles. If it has a video icon, it means you can have a video call. And then first message is free. Then you need to get coins to continue messaging. These coins are quite expensive. Yeah, and then it's like 100 coins is $10. And then you just start receiving messaging. You just start messaging people. You can start to do like a video call, but then you will need to get coins. Uh, and then you just have your profile here. You can edit it. If you don't like, you can go and delete your account. You can reach out to support. So that's basically the idea. However, I need to notice that you take a look. I don't think all the accounts here are real. They can be fake. They can be AI bots, and you just want to buy more and more coins and spend more money just chatting with bots. So just be really careful, and that's basically it.